Do you hear that? That's the sound of keys to your new house. So come with me. So this stunning house is practically brand new. It was built in 2021. It's 5 bedrooms, 3 baths. It's a little over 2,900 square feet. It also has a game room and a media room. You have this beautiful open floor concept, lots of natural light. Right off the living room, you have the primary bedroom, the ensuite bathroom, and a large walk-in closet. And then towards the front of the house, we also have a guest bedroom with a full bath. And now let's head upstairs. So right at the top of the stairs, you have this great media room, this large game room, and then you have the 3 additional bedrooms, and the 3rd bathroom. So just to wrap up, this house is 5 bedroom, 3 bath, and ready for you to move in. So give me a call.
Hey, wait, you forgot the keys to your new house.